Hi everyone, it's Claire from ScrappyNerdUK and we are on to a Scrappy Advent for day 11. So we'll start with this one, which is George's. And we have some chocolate coins. And it's a Christmas cut file again. Cool, I'll have to have a look for another one. And this is from Zoe. Oh, we're back to double wrapped again. Let's see what we've got here. And we have these rainbow like enamel hearts. Those are awesome. Perfect, thank you Zoe. And then this one here is from my mum. Check there's nothing hiding. Nope. Right, into this one. Sorry about the rustling. And then in this one, we have these awesome Mickey Mouse glittery rhinestones. So I have a few of these already, but I am running quite low on them. So this is really handy. And also I don't have half of these colours. So those are perfect. Thank you very much, ladies. Stay tuned for day number 12. Hi everyone, I'm back for day 12. So we have this one here from Georgia, and this is going to be rather amusing because I picked this up out of the stocking bag that she put it in. And yeah, I see okay, these might or might not be in their stockings as well. So I saw these little planters in Wilkinson's and they are so cute. I did buy one for myself, but I got the llama and the narwhal as well, but I want to make like a little thing in the garden with putting some plants in these. So, or I could just use one as a pen pot as well. So thank you very much, Georgia. I thought that was very similar to a shape that I had got for you girls as well. And then this one here is from, this one's from my mum. Mum, stop wasting paper, it's double wrapped. What have we got here? We've got some little envelopes of goodies. So let's see what we've got in here. Oh, we've got some little, I think they're, yeah, silver glitter stars. Those will come in handy. Oh, they're all falling out. I won't open these other two, but that looks like gold glitter hearts. And then these, oh, I've just ripped it. Oh. Sorry, Mum. I think these are just punched circles. Yeah, they are. I'll probably take them out of these little envelopes because they've come in unsealed anyway, but I'll pop those in the little embellishment box that she got me the other day. Thank you very much, Mum. And then this one here is from Zoe. Double wrapped. Nope, not this time. So we have some washi tapes. So I've got a white with some black hearts, a black measuring tape one, just a plain white one. Yep, just a plain white washi. Oops, and then like a checkered gritty one. Thank you very much, ladies. Stay tuned for days 13 and 14 coming soon. Bye.